So today we will learn how to use biosafety level 2 cabinet and Laminar airflow. This is from the iGene Labserve, and how to use it and how to sanitize and how everything works. So we will talk about this. So first of all, you have to keep it on from here, and it will start loading. So it's loading the system. Okay, so in this instrument cluster you can see this, the date is showing, the time is showing, and the real temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, and the total time it's been run since it's installed, that is 13 hours 54 minutes, and the current time is nothing. And the filter is in 100% health, UV is in 100% health, and this is the airflow of the laminar, what is going, what is downing, and what is getting in. Okay, so so the sensor is there, and there is the option for this, and you can on the light from this option, and yeah, you have to do the okay. Now you can see the light is on here. So while you're working this light, you can help with this, and there is an option for the fan, and you can allow this. Okay, so once you will open this, then only this will turn on, because when we will be working, so there will be the laminar airflow should happen. So at one level here you can see it is work showing, and the fan is been on. You can see the sound, and once you will down this, if you more up it will say high, it will change to high now, because it's not a working condition. And once you down it a little bit where it has supposed to be, then it's come to the work. Then completely if you do, that means it's closed, then it will stop happening. Okay, so this is how you can do it. And yeah, how to use the UV, one thing that you can see one side, this pipe here, it is a air sensor, and this is the HEPA filter you can see, and this tube light is the UV lamp. Okay, that is used for the sanitization, and you can do it from here, this UV, and you can start for let's say for, we can set the timer also, let's say for the 1 minute. So we can enter it, and we can start from this. So this is how it will start, and this bulb will be working. And the sanitization generally is done for the 15 minutes, and that is necessary for complete sanitization. So this is what about. So this is the operation, and let's stop this, and let's see what options. Here in the log you can see uh, everything, whatever you have done, in what date, at what time, for what, how much time, you can see here. And back log is there, and you can add the password, and you can mute if it is sound like this, pin sounds is happening. You can okay, so there is a socket for the electric connection, and you can on it or off it from here. It is on now, it is off now. So these are the options in this iGene Labserve BS2 Biosafety Cabinet. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this. Any doubts related to this, you can please consider commenting and subscribing. Thank you so much.